up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be removing the rear spoiler on my R32. Let me just get this out of the way. I kind of fucked up and I'm not worried about it. I'm not stressed about it, but as a DIYer, you're gonna fuck up sooner or later. Just gotta acknowledge it, learn from it, and move on. Before you start this job, make sure you look for and remove the screws that are sometimes holding this spoiler down. My car didn't have it, but just a heads up, it's good to know. So the first thing I did was park the car outside, let it sit, let it bake in the sun for a few hours, trying to get that hatch as hot as possible. With the hatch sitting around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, I thought I would try to work in a piece of fishing line to see if I can get it to peel off. And as you can see, the fishing line kept breaking. It wasn't really working for me. So with the fishing line getting me exactly nowhere, I decided to boil some water and pour it on the hatch. The hot water did help, I believe. I was able to lift the corners up with the trim tools, and I slowly started peeling it up. Remember earlier in the video where I mentioned I kind of messed up? Yeah, here we go. Notice how I'm paying so close attention to the spoiler and the spoiler only. I'm so focused on getting my tool in there and getting it separated. Well, I'm doing actually damage to the top of the hatch, but I didn't realize at the time I was denting the top part of the hatch. So at this point, I was working on it for at least 2 hours, probably 3.5, and I knew I was reaching a point of no return. I knew it was going to crack on me. It is old. I've heard horror stories about taking this thing off, and it sure enough cracked on me. So now we got to clean up the hatch, get off all that old sealant, and line up the new one. After test fitting the new spoiler, I see that most of the dents are covered, so we decided to go ahead and install it, hoping that the spoiler would stick down from the sealant. So as soon as we wrapped up, I took her out for a spin, got her out in the sun, and as soon as I got out and looked at the spoiler, I just knew, like, I was not happy at all. and it just wasn't done proper, and I'm not okay with it, especially with my baby. So I started Googling body shops near me, and lo and behold, there's a few that actually know what they're doing. Took it in for an estimate, and after explaining what I did to the car, he noticed that the rear glass, the seal around the frame, the seal was starting to crack, and he recommended that I change it because the spoiler's coming off, the hatch is getting resprayed, it's basically overlapping labor to get it replaced now, so I added that to the list. Big thank you to Tori and his guys up in Chapman Collision Center in Vegas. They took great care of me and the R32. That's it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.